I remember starting this journey and feeling overwhelmed. I asked countless women for advice and guidance, only to receive mediocre responses like, just clean every day. They could not see past my facade. It looked like I had it all together. Matthew 5, verse 41 says, "And whosoever shall compel thee to go a mile, go with him twain." Or 2. God knows it's hard for us to ask for help. And if we even ask, we typically ask for just the bare minimum. So a life lesson that I've learned was not to judge, but to help, and help extra. But Jesus would always help if we sincerely ask. I began to see my home as a tabernacle. The outer court was my garden, porch, and exterior of my home. The holy place was my living room and dining room where people gathered. But the holiest of holies was my heart. It was my bedroom. I wanted the Lord to dwell in my heart and in my home. I wanted to wake up each day in a sacred place to pray and meditate. After reading Exodus chapter 40, I saw how particular and orderly the tabernacle was. Everything there was for a purpose, and it was pleasing to the Lord. It showed me that God likes an orderly environment, and even though my heart is in the right place, God valued a space dedicated to Him for rest, prayer, and recovery, so that we can take on the battle ahead.